Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Let's learn how to name and balance chemical compounds. This is the foundation for balancing chemical equations. The sodium is a positive cation and the fluorine is a negative anion. And let's move these together like this. And so we would name this sodium fluoride. We would look up this symbol on the periodic chart, sodium, and this one is fluorine, and we add an IDE ending, sodium fluoride. A metal bonding with a nonmetal is an ionic compound. Here's another one. Let's try this one on for size. So what I want you to do is cut these out and paste them or tape them side by side and name them and write the formula down on a sheet of paper. What would you call this one? Sodium chloride. Sodium and chlorine, a positive and a negative, make a neutral compound, sodium chloride. I'll place a link below for the downloadable answer key for each one of these. Stay tuned, we're going to look at more of these.